Hello, YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon-to-be #1 YouTube host. If you're an old-timer and you signed up for this channel for the Big Easy Turkey Fryer, or if you're a newcomer and you Googled turkey fryer and you stumbled on the channel, welcome one and all. You have come to the right place. I have been told that I am the Big Easy Turkey Fryer guy. Let's see. Y'all stay tuned. We have a series of awesome videos on the way for the next 4 to 5 weeks. You're in the right place, baby. All right, family, if y'all been around the channel a while, y'all know that I'm fortunate enough to own 3 Big Easies. This is the original Big Easy I purchased some 5-6 years ago now. This is the second Big Easy, and I think I purchased it as well, and that is my Big Easy Smoker, and I acquired that one in a trade with my good friend and fellow YouTuber, Steve Dakota. I think he calls himself the Cajun Prepper. Now, this video, like I said, if you're new to the channel or you're an old timer, this is our time to shine. This is probably one of the first videos I ever did was on the Big Easy Turkey Fryer, and over the years I've acquired some knowledge about these things, and some people say that I am the premier expert on Big Easy Turkey Fryers. I don't like to brag, but hey, who am I to deny the truth? Anyway, all right, this video is about the 3 C's. Check, clean, and cook. Over the next 4 to 5 weeks, and I'm dropping this video on November the 1st, 2021. And no other, to me, this is the premier time to drop that video. I drop my videos normally on Mondays and Wednesdays. This is a Monday, the first day of November, the month that the Big Easy Turkey Fryer takes center stage. With that, let's move on. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is, now, in most of my videos, if you're a newcomer, you're gonna see you're gonna see this one occasionally, but mainly you're gonna see my Big Easy Smoker, because it does it all. It smokes, it cooks, and I have a special basket that I modified to use in the Big Easies. So you will see a lot of that basket as well. But today's video, and like I said, there will be a series of videos, is about the check portion of the Big Easy. We're gonna use this one. Now, the first thing you'll see is I took this inner basket out, or liner, and I also took the tray out. My trays are older because, like I said, this is 6 years old, been around for a while. The first thing I like to do, and since we had a hurricane last year, I normally leave my Big Easies out and I use them throughout the year. Since we had a hurricane last year, I had to get a new shed. I put these in the shed and I haven't used them in 4 to 5 months. So the first thing we're gonna do is, I've already hooked the propane up to this one. The basket is out. We're gonna check that fire ring at the bottom to make sure she lights and there's fire coming out of every hole. So let's go ahead and do that. We're gonna turn on our propane. We're gonna go ahead and turn on the propane from this side on the Big Easy, and you can hear it. You can hear that propane going through the tube. We're gonna hit the igniter. Woo! And there she is. All right, fam. Now I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but there's fire coming out of each one of those holes in that ring there, the fire ring. I don't want to get too close and fry my phone. All right, y'all can see that. If there wasn't fire coming out of each one of those rings, I would cut this off, take a wire brush once it cools off, and clean each one of those holes because it's most likely clogged up. All right, second thing we're gonna clean, let me go ahead and cut this off. Cut it off here and here. All right, the next thing we're gonna do is clean the basket. Now, one of my viewers told me he uses a thing called bar keepers. He soaks this and cleans it in bar keepers for about 15 minutes. Then he comes back with Dawn Platinum, let it soak and clean for another 15 minutes. And he does the same with this drip pan as well. And then he takes a wire brush on a drill motor and he cleans off any excess residue. What I have used in the past on the base is this thing I got from, it's like a carpenter's tool. And I take that and I take and rake it across the base to get anything out of the bottom. And I take what they call a Brillo pad or a Scotch-Brite pad and I clean the interior. I am not famous for taking good care of my stuff. I just like to cook. I don't like the maintenance portion of it, but it's a necessity. Now, if you're a newcomer, if you're an old timer, you know these trays don't really mean a lot to me because I use a pie pan in the bottom of my Big Easy to catch my drippings. I don't want my drippings in this thing because it's old, it's nasty, and I leave my Big Easy turkey fries all over the place. I leave them outside under the table, underneath the cover, but you never know, and they're rusty, so I wouldn't want my drippings. If you want to make a gravy or whatever, and you want your drippings, I will reference the video I made last year on where I take a pie pan, a round pie pan, put it at the base of the Big Easy, and I catch my drippings that way. You can even cut a hole in it and put another pie pan underneath it if you like, but that hole is just for your gravy, your drippings to escape. So if you put a pan there and you catch those drippings, you got nice, fresh drippings for a gravy. All right. Once again, if you've been around the channel for a while, you know that this is the second Big Easy I bought. That is actually the oldest one, and everything still works on that thing. This one, we lost the igniter, and I replaced it with an igniter from Lowe's, and it's just a push button igniter, but I don't think that igniter is working, so we're gonna have to replace it again. You can see on the inside of this one, I haven't put gas on it yet, but I'm gonna see and make sure all those tubes are good to go. This one, I used all last year, so I think it's still good to go. You wanna check and make sure dirt, daubers, or nothing has built a nest in there, and that all those tubes are clear and free to go, free to be used. So we're gonna take that next week's video. We're gonna take that bar keepers and we're gonna clean these things up and see if that actually works. I forget the my subscriber's name, but I will put it in the description or put it in the video right up top of who suggested that we use the bar keepers, the Dawn soap, and the brush. And we'll take one of these and we'll clean it up. Sometime, probably after the holidays, we're gonna see if we take some heat resistant paint and paint this thing and see if we make it look a little better. Aesthetics to me don't really matter as long as my chicken and my turkey comes out right. So all right, fam, that is my introductory video. Hold on, let's change camera angles just for a second. All right, fam, that is our introductory video to the Big Easy turkey fry season. Like I said, it's our moment. If you signed up for the Big Easy turkey fryer, or if you Googled or put in the search engine, turkey fryer, you're here, you found us, welcome. I don't think I missed anything that I plan on covering in this particular video. I wanted to basically touch on checking and cleaning. Let's get this thing ready for the season. If you already own a Big Easy turkey fryer and it's a few years old, like I said, go through, double check, make sure all your burner holes are burning. You know, take that basket out. If you're not familiar with it, that basket simply slides out like so. And make sure everything, there's no obstructions. Make sure that everything works. Make sure your igniter works. And you can hear that thing. On this particular one, like I said, it's a replacement igniter. And see that one? It's not It's not depressing like it should. It should be a snap, and it's not snapping, so I think that needs to be replaced. And of course, that one is in perfect working condition. Don't worry about your tray. Just take that pie pan, put it in the bottom, catch your drippings. That tray, you don't have to even put it in place if you don't want to, as long as you have that pie pan in the bottom. If you don't have the pie pan or the tray, your drippings are gonna fall on the floor or the ground. If you're cooking on a deck or whatever, you don't want that gravy or that hot grease all over your deck. As you can see over here on my deck, a couple of times I forgot to put the tray in, and you can see grease spots right there. So that's the result of me not having that tray in. So, all right, fam. Once again, newcomers, welcome to the channel. Old timers, glad to have you. Glad to see you back, baby. All right, family. If y'all enjoyed this video, give her a thumbs up. If not, give her a thumb down and a brief reason why in the comment section. And if you love what we're doing here at This and That, consider becoming a subscriber. And if you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you be notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. It's your boy Rosie. Y'all have a great day. Peace.